ISTE 4A deals with needs assessment, and so I created a survey for my faculty and staff to address the needs of technology in our school using Google Forms. And so there were 7 questions in regards to technology integration. One being, how are professional development learning needs of adult learners determined in your school? The top 5 professional learning needs of educators in the department, grade level, or area. The majority of that answer was Google Classroom, learning more about it, not knowing enough, and not having enough training. What role does technology play in supporting professional learning in the community? Most thought that it was important and needed. Top 5 technology-focused professional learning issues for teachers and students basically was the lack of knowledge, lack of training. What type of needs assessments are conducted to obtain opinions, perspectives toward their professional learning needs? Is technology viewed as a resource or an issue? A lot of people said resource, but it is both a resource and an issue, the issue being lack thereof. And then lastly, given the recent COVID-19 school shutdown, top 3 related skills teachers need to have starting in the fall. And the majority was more training.